Hola amigos, bienvenido.
Welcome to Puerto Rico. Good morning. We are coming into port into San Juan, and since it's Valentine's Day, we've decided to give you a little holiday edition and tell you how we fell in love with San Juan and Puerto Rico in general. We'll also be going over how we got engaged, which is a funny story because all my friends and family know that I never wanted to get married. So I wonder how that happened. Crazy. We're going to go over that, and we're going to tour San Juan with you. We're going to reminisce a little bit about all of our trips to Puerto Rico, and
5 of them.
yes, and where our favorite places are to go, to eat, to stay, and just hopefully you guys will fall in love with this island as much as we did. So let's get off the ship and see what we can find out.
Ciao for now.
Ciao for now. Catch a cruise out of San Juan the next morning. Well, we missed our first flight. Okay, no biggie. At the airport, they got us onto another flight, which was great. But unfortunately, that flight ended up having a mechanical issue and landed in Pittsburgh. And from there, they wouldn't get us onto a connecting flight. They said no, they didn't have time. Just get on the flight, get to New York. So we got to New York, and which airport did we come into?
Came into LaGuardia.
So we came into LaGuardia, and that flight wasn't going to get us to Puerto Rico on time, and no other flights at LaGuardia were going to get us down here in time. So we got online and found out that JetBlue had a flight from Kennedy that would get here in time to get us to the cruise ship. So caught a cab.
So we had to buy new plane tickets from Kennedy to Puerto Rico.
Right, yeah. And so we bought the tickets, then we caught a cab over to Kennedy, caught the flight, great. Got here on time, landed in San Juan. We were so excited, caught a cab, almost to the cruise ship, bam, deadlocked traffic. Came to a standstill. Ended up moving, we got to the port. Cruise ship was still there, but we were 15 minutes late.
Customs had already closed the port, the doors, so we couldn't get onto the ship.
No exception.
Needless to say, we kind of watched the ship cruise away and sail off without us.
Yes.
But what we did is we just decided to make the best of a bad situation. We got a hotel room, and we just planned to stay in Puerto Rico for the duration of the week. Unfortunately, at the time, we didn't have our passports then, so we would have probably flown just into the next port and caught up with the ship. But it worked out for the best because, we discovered Puerto Rico, and we just took the opportunity to live like a local. And just drive, we rented a car and drove around the island.
Bought a GPS because at that time the phones, they didn't have cell.
Yeah, it wasn't,
the GPS to where we could get around.
And maps and all that stuff, ways. So we actually had to buy a GPS and plug that up, and we just drove
up in the mountains.
Yeah, drove through.
Cows jumping out in front of us, thinking we were going to drive off of cliffs because this one over here was driving so fast around the windy road.
It was an adventure, and I wouldn't have it any other way. So definitely, it was really good times.
Yeah, we did the rainforest, we did the bioluminescent bay. That was just out of this world. Scuba diving. And then, we just traveled all around the island, and we actually found our favorite part of the island to come to is it's called Rincon. It's on the.
But that actually happened the second time. So the first time we drove east, and we went through Fajardo, Rencito, and we went all the way down to Arroyo, and then we realized that we couldn't just drive the island in one day, so we actually cut back up through the mountains. Right. And that's when we were, coming off cliff sides, and we got to really kind of see the scenery and it's all its glory, as somebody would say. And then when we came back the second time, we decided, since we had already seen the east side, let's go ahead and go west. And we drove west, and that's where we kind of fell in love. We came across this little surf town called Rincon, and it was just amazing. We loved it. We loved it so much that we even brought the family back the next visit. Yeah. So we brought them back. AJTT and Dominic. No, Dominic didn't know, just Dimitri.
Oh, sorry, Dominic. He's still salty about that one.
When you start saying the name, it's kind of hard. But yeah, we brought them, and we went and did the whole West Coast. So that was the third time. And then came back for our anniversary this past June. We actually went back to the West Coast again.
From my mom that time. We came up to San Juan again.
So, and then we were scheduled to come here in October, but I had to cancel that trip. I had to work to get out of it. So.
But everything happens for a reason, and that was one of the reasons why we decided to travel full time, because we're just tired of putting our life on hold. Tired of putting life on hold just for work. So, we needed to find a healthy balance to be able to get out and enjoy life and still, be able to live comfortably.
Yeah, we almost really made the decision to move to Puerto Rico. I mean, we were really, really close to.
We had gotten a realtor. We were looking at houses the last time.
Yeah, we actually went and looked at a couple places and looking at real estate and thinking about really moving to Puerto Rico. I mean, I was talking to some people and maybe even thinking about taking a job here in Puerto Rico. But like you said, things happen for a reason.
And down the road, it might happen again. I mean, we do. We love Puerto Rico. We really do. And
the culture, the people, just the island.
The food,
it's beautiful.
The beaches, all of it.
All right, well, we're gonna leave you for now with that little dwell on. Our food should be out soon. We're gonna kind of give give you a good review of that, kind of let you know, give you some insight of what to order and all that stuff. So,
Excited.
ciao for now.
Ciao for now.
San Juan, and we came and checked it out, and we loved it. So we wanted to kind of bring you some information, let you know about it, so that way you could check it out.
We have, we've been here 5 times now, and we've traveled the island. We've gone into the little towns, and every place that we eat at, we always try the mofongo because they always talk about Puerto Rican mofongo. And by far, the place that we're at now has the best mofongo on the island. And where are we?
We are at Raices.
Yes, and if you are in Puerto Rico, even if it's just for a day on a cruise ship like we are today, you have to stop in and try the stuffed mofongo or the can. I mean, it's out of this world. Our taste buds have just been craving it since we booked our cruise. So this is really the only place that we wanted to make sure to stop in when we were in port today. And we are excited for the food to get here.
Right. So for you guys that don't know what mofongo is, so mofongo is a Puerto Rican dish, Puerto Rican cuisine, and basically what it is, it's mashed plátanos. So we take plantains, which is the green banana, and it's mashed up. And what you do is, and then they season it with garlic and other seasonings, and then they just stuff different other kinds of meats into it. So Jeanette actually ordered the steak mofongo this time. We've actually tried quite a bunch of different mofongos, and steak seemed to be his favorite. All right, guys, and then also my favorite Puerto Rican beer, Medalla. I'm gonna show that to you guys.
Okay. I'm gonna take it right from you. Good.
All right, guys. That's Puerto Rican beer. Check it out. So basically it is a big pork chop, and they leave a lot of the skin and the rinds here on it. So yummy. Chopped with rice and beans, and a little salad.
Yes.
And what you get?
I have the Angus beef stuffed mofongo. Look at that. Delicious.
Alright guys, so again, delicious. If you ever get over here, check it out. We're about to chow down.
Yes,
so
we're getting off of here because we're ready to eat.
Full bellies, heading back to the ship. But we'll check in with you later. Ciao for now.
But he keeps picking up the fork and eating more. He doesn't want to let food win. Like we said, the traveling Pisces versus food, and food won. Definitely.
Yeah. Alright, so probably going to take some of this back with us. I don't know if they're going to allow us to take it on a cruise ship or not. But we just wanted to kind of give you guys the address so you can check it out, so that we can have walk all over Old San Juan. But the address is 315 Calle, Rencito, San Juan. So that's Calle, which is street, and Rencito, R-E-C-I-N-T-O, which is south. So 315. Alright guys, like I said, if you're in San Juan, check them out. Raices, R-A-I-C-E-S.
That's Mofongo. Alright,
ciao for now.